Hey friends, I want to show you how to make one of these masks from Bandana. So, looks really nice. Take a look. Okay, so you just need a bandana. You need maybe a couple hair ties, and to help is a bobby pin. So, just kind of fold it. It's a kind of a big bandana here. Like this. And then you take one of these. You can rubber band or hair tie. Put it on each end. And then you fold it over and you tuck it one side into the other one. And it doesn't stay too well, that's why I have the bobby pin right here. And then just take it, loop around your ears, and you can even adjust it, and there you go, all done.